Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? Today we would like to introduce our blue thermal cutter. Blue thermal cutter is the classical and economic heating tool to clean interlayer remains. Thermal cutter is also named as hot knife and heating cutter. The thermal cutter is not trimming the interlayer remains by sharp, but by heat. The blade of the thermal cutter can be heated up to 500 Celsius degrees in seconds. The thermal cutter is trimming the heated remains by ultra-high heat at about 500 Celsius degrees. So no matter whether the interlayer film is EVA interlayer, PVB interlayer, or SGP interlayer, the thermal cutter can clean all kinds of remains very well. And the popular models of the blades for blue thermal cutter is 3.1, 4.1, 11.1, 14.1. Thanks very much for your watching. If you want to order, please feel free to contact us, and you may expect answers in 24 hours.